So hello guys, now we will check like whether our Docker is correctly installed or not. So the basic command for that is to run this command called okay, sudo docker run hello world. Okay, so this is basically a, a Docker image in the Docker Hub repository, which will tell you whether Docker is installed correctly or not. So I am running this command. So this will basically run this Docker container called hello world. If it's not in your system, it will download that image and run that. So it's already, this image is already there in my system. So it's running and it's saying hello from Docker. This message show that your installation appears to be working correctly. Okay, yeah. So these, to generate this master message, Docker took the following steps. So these are the steps that it has created, and it seems to be working fine. Okay, and also I think if I can check if it's running in background, I can also check with this container using this command docker container ls-c. Yeah, so you can see that I have run this docker with image name hello world 45 seconds ago, and now it's exited. Okay, so yeah, in this way, using this command called sudo docker container ls-c, you can check what all the dockers uh, containers you have, and along with the id image name, and when it was created, what is its status, whether it's running or exited, and what are the port numbers it is running. Currently it doesn't running on any port, it is not showing anything, and also it will show you the name. Okay, so if I think can minimize the view. Okay. Okay, let it be. So yeah, this is how a sudo docker container ls-a command work. Okay.